Oh, hell yeah.
Barbara Streisand. Barbara Streisand. Barbara Streisand. Barbara Streisand. Barbara Streisand. Barbara Streisand.
Anything you'll miss about Whitchurch?
All the people we've been with for the past 7 years. People in a few teachers, I think I'll miss. Miss Linford for my favourite teacher, because I had her for 7 years.
I'll just miss rugby probably. No. I probably will. It's better than any other rugby I played in, and football. Just making fun of them.
The German department's amazing, basically. Like, the language is really good. The library is really good as well. I don't know, I'm being really weird here.
I think you're giving the bottle out to all of them.
I don't know.
I'm going
Ask
to
another
miss
question.
not having to stay after school 4 nights a week to do music. I'm going to miss that.
Probably the gym, I'd say most of all. After an extensive year of training, I'm sure you can all see that it's paid off.
What am I going to miss? People, really, you know.
The people, the friends we have here.
Yeah, just the people, I think, really. And like coming in every day and knowing that you're seeing someone.
Yeah.
Faulty parallelism. German Greg's and German tea and toast.
I miss the chemistry department.
Yeah. Ellen Williams's completely legitimate excuses as to why she said no work
Ever.
for about 4 years.
And then gets A's all the time.
Yeah.
So what are you all going to miss about Whitchurch?
Nothing. Here.
This.
Even in the local salmon. Definitely the reasonably priced vending machines.
Yes.
I miss them so much. You know, they're so cheap.
Mainly alcohol friends. Yeah, I don't really limit that down. Pretty much fun. I'm not going to miss anything, but y'all go miss me! Oh, you're too much.
Any favourite memories? Any memorable moments?
I'd say like last day of school in year 11 and just generally the trips we've been on. The friendships we've made.
My favourite memories are of the school production, so like Midsummer Night's Dream and Fiddle on the Roof that we did. Gouchy came in with a black eye because Steph punched her in the face.
What? Year 11, I had this little air pen thing. You push it, and then Tom Humphries at the end aiming at people. We went to Sinead Tandy, who was eating noodles. I squeezed it in her face. She turned around and just chucked these noodles all over us. That has to be the best thing ever.
Pitch high.
I think with regard to the staff, one of the funniest things I can remember is when I was an NQT, so trying to toe the line as a newly qualified teacher, and myself and Mrs. Price, who was then Miss Heavyside, decided to do the virtual elevator outside 184 to Mrs. Miles, not realising that the deputy head was standing there, hands on hips, at the other end of the corridor, to which our response was giggle and leg it. Quite embarrassing in hindsight.
So, probably Sam Parker, first year, coming in and slipping over the table, falling on the floor. And they'll kick all over it.
And my greatest memory of the school was meeting you for the first time.
Okay, any particular favourite memories that stand out?
Ellen Williams' English meltdown.
She had a meltdown. She wouldn't stop talking. Mrs. Thomas kept on telling her to stop talking. She didn't. The whole class were crying. It was brilliant.
Yeah, that's probably it. Oh, and also the last Richard Weiss and last year's Carol concert, 50th one was good.
So who's your favourite teacher? Who are you most sad to say goodbye to?
Mrs. Thomas.
Best
English teacher.
Mrs. Thompson. Politics and history.
Miss Birch, what a legend. I love you. And Miss Sylvester, great teachers.
Mrs. Thompson, was she so hilarious?
Mr. Thomas, the physics teacher.
Mr. Sharp or maybe Mr. Taylor?
Mr. Sandy, definitely.
Oh.
Absolute lad. He is. No, Sandy's the best by far. His little trick when you wind the board and still look at you. He was just like, he used to make maths my day. He was the best thing ever.
Crossing because of his awesome accent.
No. Who's a good teacher? Is Steve a teacher?
He is a hero.
Him. Mr. Wells is his constant sarcasm.
Which
like
one?
Everything you could ever do. Yeah. Oh no, Thomas.
Okay. Mr. Taylor's right.
Woodman. Yeah. Top teach. Lim for. So just because I like to say Sharp's going on the side. Saturday for the chemistry department. Mrs. Morgan. She's cool. I'm just going to name every teacher in the school. Liz King. She's a legend.
Big up Liz King.
Yeah.
Liz King. Liz King, you are #1 hustler.
Guys, what are your
Liz King?
Yeah. Bring the camera over. Miss, wave at the camera.
Hey, somebody is like so holy. Who's speaking? Jay. Emma, why weren't you in school today? I slept. Grace, where were you this morning? My car broke down. Again.
Yeah.
Where are you going? Have you got a talk? Have you got a pass? Have you got a pass? Have you got a pass? I have no authority in this school. Even the staff leg at lunchtime. What am I supposed to do?